In this video, I'd like to show you how to configure Telzino AI voice agents to change call forwarding rules in the NetSapiens platform. So here we are looking at the AI agents page in the NetSapiens end user portal. And I'm going to be working with this agent called NetSapiens Test, which is registered at extension 5376. Now we can see that NetSapiens has been integrated by this NetSapiens logo in the integrations column. If I click on that, it will show the API credentials that have already been saved for this agent. Now, to set up call forwarding, it's a simple matter of editing the agent. And here I am on the agent edit page. And on this page, you have a few different controls, but one of them is the ability to add tools or functions to an agent that can be used during a call. Now, as you'll see, there's a tool here that allows you to set call forwarding. Now, this is here by virtue of the fact of the NetSapiens integration being enabled. If I were to click Add, I would get a list of other functions that are also available. And there are some other NetSapiens functions, including get timeframe, verify user, and lookup in directory. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be working with the call forwarding function only. Okay, so we see that the call forwarding tool has been added to this agent. And so what that means is when this agent receives a call, a user will be able to ask the agent to change their call forwarding. Now, security is always a concern when it comes to call forwarding. And one of the precautions that's been built into this tool is that the agent will always ask for the user's extension and voicemail PIN number before allowing any changes to be made. Okay, now let me go to the users page in this domain. And I just wanted to show you the user we'll be working with. It's this user, extension 2003. And if I click over to the answering rules of this user, we see that the basic rule to ring the extension is enabled and that there are no other answering rules at the moment. Now, to test this agent, I'm just going to go to the Snap Mobile Web and I'm going to dial the extension of the agent, which is 5376.
Hello. Thank you for calling Telematic Corp. How can I help you today?
I'd like to change my call forwarding, please.
Of course. I can help you change your call forwarding. May I please have your extension and voicemail PIN to verify your identity? Also, let me know the new forwarding number and the type of forwarding you'd like to set, for example, always, no answer, or busy.
My extension is 2003. My voicemail PIN is 992000399. And I'd like to forward all my calls to 1-800-444-4444.
Your call forwarding has been successfully updated. All calls to extension 2003 will now be forwarded to 1-800-444-4444. It may take a few moments for the change to take full effect. If you need any more adjustments or assistance, just let me know.
Okay, that's that. I'm going to hang up the call and let's go check the call forwarding rules. Okay, here we are back in the users page and I'm going to edit extension 2003 and click over to the answering rules. And there you see the call forwarding rule says to forward all calls to 800-444-4444. And that's all there is to it. Now, if we go back to the agents, I'd like to point out something. I'm going to go to the logs and I'm going to pull up the transcript for that last call. And here we have the transcript. And here's where I asked to change it. But what I wanted to show you is that all of the payload of the API call is available in the transcript to be viewed. So here we see the PIN code and the extension and the forward to number and the forwarding type, which is always, all as they were submitted to the NetSapiens API. Okay, well that covers call forwarding using Telzino AI voice agents. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for your time.